Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on portable hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and you are looking for how to turn on portable hotspot. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra settings section. After click over there, you need to click here connections. After click over connections, you will find there something say mobile hotspot and threading. After click over there, you need to click here mobile hotspot, and then you will see your SSD name, password, and brand. And if you like to change your Wi-Fi name, you can easily change it. And also if you like to change any password you want, you can do. And also this brand capability, you can make it 5 gigahertz, 2 and 5 gigahertz if you wish, and then you can make it here save. And then now you can see I had successfully set up my SSD name and the password and brand. Also, if you decide to turn on mobile hotspot, you can simply just turn on, and then a pop-up going to appear. We're going to click here turn on. After turn on, we'll see in my phone in this status bar there's going to be appear this mobile hotspot icon. So that means I had successfully turned on mobile hotspot in my Samsung Galaxy S25. Now you might be looking for how to turn off. So for that, you need to go again in this same section, setting, connections, mobile hotspot and threading. You can simply turn this off. Also, there is another quick shortcut way to turn on or off mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So in order to do that, you need to just swipe down just like this in this quick action area. You can simply just touch over there and a pop-up going to appear to use both. We're going to click here turn on, and then we'll see immediately my phone going to be turned on mobile hotspot. If you decide to turn off mobile hotspot, you can again swipe down just like this. You can simply touch over there and it's going to be turned off. So within this simple way, you can easily turn on or off mobile hotspot in your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.